I did not use face wash at all today because I did not feel that I need to use the face wash. I felt that this thing is enough for my skin right now, enough for my face right now. It did make my skin very soft, you guys. My hands felt very soft. Even now it is like, see, it's gliding. Oh my god. This one you need just 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes of your shower time makes your hair healthy. Great, you guys. The result that it gives, see? In love with their products. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do first impression of the Chennai Herbs product. If you have watched my previous video, you would know that I have ordered products from Chennai Herbs. Chennai Herbs is an herbal brand that sells products for your skincare and hair care. So I did order few products from them. So let me open the first product. All of the products came in that standard cardboard box. So I thought of doing an unboxing video, but it just came in a usual standard cardboard box, nothing so special. So I thought let's go with the first impression. So this is the bath powder that I ordered. This is an herbal bath powder. You will need to use this bath powder instead of soap, since soap contains a lot of chemicals. This one is 100% natural and herbal. So this has ingredients like vetiver, avarampu, rose, kadikai, purankirangu, kuraikirangu, tulasi, almond, green gram, fenugreek, scotch grass, neem leaves, karboga, kasturi manjal, aloe vera, multani matti, etc. There are so many good natural ingredients in them. So the directions for use says take required amount of the bath powder in a bowl. Add water or rice soaked water for better results. Mix the herbal bath paste thoroughly without clumps. Apply this paste all over your body with hands, preferably a scrubber, and massage. I did search for a scrubber or a loofah in the website, but unfortunately they did not sell a scrubber. So I'll have to do it with my hands only. Leave for 5 minutes and rinse with water. Repeat this procedure in your daily routine. Use this bath powder regularly instead of soap for better results. So this one cost 229 for 200 gram of the products. So this is how it came. I did not open or see the products. I'm doing it with you guys. So this is a paper packaging. So I'm not sure whether I should keep this in my washroom. So let me open this. Yeah. I know this smell, guys. I can recognize this smell. This is the smell that I get after my dad leaves the washroom after his shower. He uses bath powder and it smells so much like that one. He gets his bath powder from local Nattu Marundu Kadai. It smells so similar, guys. So yeah, so maybe it has similar ingredients. So this is how the bath powder looks like. It is a finely milled powder and it is light brown in color. Let me take a spoon of it. So yeah, I guess this is enough for my body. I'm gonna add this rice water. I have never used a store-bought bath powders. Me and my mom prepares our own bath powder at home. So this is my first time using a bath powder bought from a store. I think I need to add more rice water. This is how the paste looks like after mixing. So that's the bath powder paste. I will use that bath powder after this video, and I will come back and let you know guys how it feels and how it works. I should not guess the product's capability just by using it for the first time, but I will let you know the first impression on how it feels like and how it goes on. So yeah, moving on to the second product. This is the Chennai Herbs Calamine face pack. This comes in a plastic tub, unlike the previous one. This is a calamine face pack. This has calamine and bentonite clay in it. So this has calamine and bentonite clay in it. The benefits are it treats rash and itch, controls excess oil, protects from sunburn and UV rays, that reduces acne and pimples, relieves the wrinkles and adds a soothing effect, best for all skin type for both men and women. So this is a calamine face pack that is very good for your suntan. I have a bentonite clay separately, but this is my first calamine face pack. And the directions for usage: take one spoonful of calamine face pack powder, add 1 spoon of water or milk, mix it to prepare a calamine paste. Apply this paste and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Repeat this procedure for 2 to 3 times a week for better results. I thought of using this face pack today on my face and show it to you guys, the texture and all of that, but it's a pouring in Chennai. It's pouring like anything else, and it's cold and chill. I have to take a bath today. I don't want to take a risk by applying this face pack and catching cold, and that's why I'm taking a bath. I really thought of doing this in front of you guys, but the weather is so cold and it's pouring outside in Chennai, so I don't want to take a risk. I'm so sorry guys, but I will let you know in my other videos on how this calamine face pack works. Moving on to my favorite product as in any brand, if there's anything for lips, I'm for that. So I love lip products. It can be a lip balm, a lip mask, lip sleeping mask, lip scrub, lip oil, lip gloss, lipsticks. I love anything that is for lips. This one is the Chennai Herbs lip serum. It is 100% natural. All of these products are 100% natural. Does not contain any harmful chemicals or chemicals in general. So this is how the lip serum comes in. This comes in a roll-on form. This has just 3 ingredients to it, guys. The ingredient list is missing on the packaging, but I read it in their website that it has glycerin, honey and rose extracts. That's it guys, that's it. And this lip balm, lip serum is edible, you guys. So yeah, let me try this for the very first time. I'm so excited. So this is the roll-on bottle. It's not coming out. Ayyo varmatikkudu. Ayyo. Yeah, it's coming out. Since it is new, I could feel that warmth of the glycerin. If you have used glycerin before on your lips, you would know what I'm telling. I am someone with extremely dry and sensitive lips, no matter what the weather it is. I do get a lot of dryness, cracked lips, sometimes that tends to bleed also. So I don't feel like I have something on my lips rather than the warmthness of the glycerin. So I'm going to open this and I'm going to apply this, because roll-on and all will not work for me. I do get excited whenever I see a lip serum that comes in a roll-on tube, but it doesn't serve the purpose. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to use it. Yeah. For my other lip serums, I do dip a Q-tip in the lip serum and apply it on my lips, but now my Q-tips are over. Wow, this is a thick consistency. Okay, maybe because of the honey. Oh, can you guys see the consistency of it? I'm loving it. Oh, it's full of honey. I can taste honey. Tastes really good, guys. So this is how I like my lip balms to be, or lip serums to be, or any lip products to be. This is the right amount for my lips. You could see that shine, you guys. I kind of like this. It's natural, it's 100% natural, it does not have any chemicals. You guys, not just the harmful chemicals like parabens or sulfates. It does not have any chemicals. If you're someone looking for that herbal product for your lips, then definitely go for this one. I will use this lip serum for a month and see if it works. This will be in my top 10 lip balms for 2021. So the next and the final product, I believe, the final product is the hair mask. This is also 100% natural herbal hair mask. This has a shikakai, arapu, vetiver, nannariver, aruvi, Spanish cherry, hibiscus, avarampu, rose, gooseberry, thandri, lemon, devdar, kadukai, pulan kirangu, kure kirangu, puchikai, tulasi, almond, karislangani, green gram, rice, fenugreek, green seaweed, curry leaves, kutch grass, henna, neem leaves, hibiscus leaves, basil, lavanga patri, tuba leaves, etc. So this has such good ingredients to it. This hair mask is just 100% natural hair mask. I am someone who does not like to use the chemical based hair mask on my scalp and hair. But this one is so good, you guys. This has 100% natural ingredients to it. So this is how it opens up. It has a separator. So this is the hair mask powder. It looks like light green or olive green in color. Brown mixed olive green. So the directions for use says oil your hair an hour before shower time. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or shikakai and remove excess water. Since grease-free hair absorbs more nutrition, add water to this hair mask powder for better results. Use curd or egg white instead. Apply this paste to scalp and hair and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and repeat this procedure twice a week for better results. So this hair mask is something different from the usual hair mask that I use. I used to prepare my own hair mask again at home, or I buy that separate powders like hibiscus leaf powder or aloe vera leaf powder or avarampu powder separately, and then I mix it up with curd or egg and apply that. Why this product is different? Because of the directions for use, which I was so surprised. This says oil your hair an hour before shower time. So you need to oil your hair 1 hour before your shower time. Then you need to wash your hair with a mild shampoo or shikakai. Then remove the excess water. Since grease-free hair absorbs more nutrition, you need to remove the excess water, and then you need to apply this hair pack on your scalp and hair. So that is something different for me. That's why I bought this hair pack. I was not in an idea to buy this hair pack, but after reading the directions for use, this was so good. And also you need to leave this hair pack like 5 to 10 minutes, which you can stay in your washroom itself. That is also something different because I leave my hair pack for like 20 to 30 minutes. So that is unique about this. So basically what it says is that oil your hair, wash your hair off with a mild shampoo or shikakai, and then apply this hair mask and rinse your hair. Do not use a shampoo or shikakai to wash this hair mask off. So that's what it is said. So I have oiled my hair yesterday night, so I need to prepare the hair mask right now. It says you can mix the hair mask with curd or egg white. But I'm not mixed up with the rice water itself because I have a lot of rice water at home today. So let's see the hair mask preparing procedure. So I'm gonna add a spoon. Oh, this is satisfying for me to do this. I'm adding the rice water. My mom used to say that great grandparents use rice water mixed with a shikakai, make it a paste, and then they will take a bath with that. Guys, I'm gonna take my usual hair mask bowl because I'm not sure of the quantity, whether this would be enough for my hair So I'm gonna take my usual hair mask bowl. I did make the consistency a little thinner for me to apply it in an easy way. Hi guys, I am back from my shower. Guys, I'm actually out of words. I'm not lying or I'm not getting paid by Chennai Herbs, but I'm extremely in love with this herbal bath powder, you guys. Oh my god, I love the consistency of it. I love the texture of it. I told you guys it is finely milled, but it is not like 100% finely milled. It is like 95% finely milled and 5% there are like scrub beads into it, which makes your skin super soft. And I couldn't stop massaging myself with this bath powder. This bath powder is a must buy, I would say, from Chennai Herbs. Oh my god guys, it's fantastic. And you know guys, one thing, I did take this bath powder on my face and oh my god, I did not use face wash at all today because I did not feel that I need to use the face wash. I felt that this thing is enough for my skin right now, for my face right now, because that's what I felt. I did take the leftover on my bowl and I applied it on my skin and I gave it a slight massage. It did scrub my skin really well. It did make my skin very soft, you guys. My hands felt very soft. Even now it is like, see, it's gliding. Oh my god, in love with this product. Totally recommend it. It did scrub away all my blackheads and whiteheads on my neck and on my shoulder areas, and it did smoothen my skin. It did give that skin polishing effect. That's what I'm trying to say. It did give you the result of skin polish. It did polish my skin. It did remove my blackheads and whiteheads and also soothe my clogged pores. Totally recommended. I'm giving this 4 stars out of 5, -1 for the packaging because it is packed in a paper bag, which makes it not convenient to use in the washroom. If this paper gets wet, then it is spoiled. So I would prefer a plastic container for this one, like the hair mask one. So that's why -1. Other than that, everything is so good. This is a must buy, you guys. This hair mask, I kept this mask on my hair for 15 minutes and then washed it off. One could not see major difference in the first usage itself. You need to be using it regularly to see any difference in your hair texture and your hair fall. So after using this hair mask, my hair feels soft and it feels like I have washed my hair with shikakai, because this hair mask has shikakai as its main ingredient, because they have given shikakai as their first ingredient. So I believe the main ingredient is shikakai. So if you have used shikakai before, you would know the feel of shikakai on your hair. It is not like uncomfortable, but you would feel the jelly-like substance on your hair. Yeah, that's what I feel right now, but it's not uncomfortable or like that. But if I scratch my scalp, I could feel that jelly-like substance, which I'm totally okay with because it's 100% natural. It's not going to do any harm to my scalp, so I'm perfectly okay with that. So on the first usage, I'm not really sure how many stars I should give this hair mask, but overall on the first impression, I would give this a 5 star because this is very easy to use. Usually you need to bake the hair mask, mix it up, apply it onto your hair, leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes, which you can do it only on your holidays or Sundays. But this one you need just 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes of your shower time makes your hair healthy. I'm completely satisfied with all the products. Though I have not used the calamine face pack, I'm sure it is gonna work. It is a clay based face mask. It is definitely gonna work for my oily skin, so I'm very sure about that. And other 3 products I've used today, super good. I'm so in love with it. The quality is great, you guys. The result that it gives, see, in love with their products. You guys should definitely check out their Instagram page. I will link their Instagram page down in the description box. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.